Hello everyone, I'm Larry and you're watching St. Nick's Farms on YouTube. And what I'm working on this cold morning here in Northwest Alabama, and as you can see from the intro, we got our first significant snowfall here in Northwest Alabama. We got about 4 to 5 inches here at the farm, and so not very much that we can be doing outside. So I am working on my John Deere Gator. This is an XUV550, and you've seen in some previous videos I've had to work on the parking brake. I've had to work on the shift cable, the gear shift cable. And now what I've run into, I was using it the other day, and just all of a sudden it quit running, and it will turn over, it will crank, no problem as far as, well, that is not cranking, but the starter will turn over, but yet it won't actually start. And so there are some things that I'm going to try. I've already replaced the fuel filter. There's one main culprit, and that is the carburetor solenoid, which shuts the fuel off. And I was not able to get one of those, but I did get a new fuel pump, and I'm going to see today about replacing that and see if it has any impact on the problem that I'm having. That's what I'm working on today. Thank you for joining us here on St. Nick's Farms. I really do appreciate it. Let's get started and see what kind of progress we can have with this project today. I wanted to start here by removing this back seat. It just pops forward. There's some little snap ends right here, and then it just fits down over these two little tabs here. So we'll get this seat back removed. I think I'll just put it in the bed of the Gator. Going to get this plate here removed. Got those 4 screws up there, and then there's 2 screws under here. Here we have the fuel pump here, and I'm going to remove this, and hopefully I can get the I don't know, I may need to try to remove the hoses before I take it off. Let's see if that might work better. I'm going to try to take it off first. I believe I might be able to get to those clamps better. Well, let's give her a try now and see if that makes any difference. Well, it's not looking too promising. I've just got a feeling that we're looking at a carburetor solenoid being stuck on it, and I don't have the dealership didn't have a starter solenoid, so I'm probably just going to load it up and take it to the dealership and let them work on it. I've tried everything that I know to try on it, and as you can see, it's not working. So if you have any ideas, please leave them in the comments down below. Maybe you would have some thoughts that I could go ahead and do myself and be able to repair this gator. But otherwise, I'll probably be loading it up and taking it to the John Deere dealership. Decided since I got it this straight, I'm going to back the trailer into it instead of trying to line it up with the trailer. Well, folks, there you have it. I'm going to wrap this video up. I really always like to have a video that starts well and ends well. This is an exception. It did not end well because I was hoping that by being able to change the fuel pump on the Gator that would solve my problem, since I wasn't able to get on into the area where the carburetor was and check on the carburetor solenoid and check on some other things, because there was just too many things, too many parts to remove, and I just didn't have the time, didn't want to get into that. So I've got it loaded up, going to take it to my repair shop, my dealership, Tri-Green Equipment up in Didn, and let them see if they can work on it and see if we can get it back into running order. So thank you for joining us here on the channel today. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with a friend. Subscribe to the channel. So until next time, folks, this is Larry. Have a great one. Bye-bye, everybody. See ya.